Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, it's a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a kind of vlog style thing today as I'm going out and I'm on the go. I'm going to take you with me. I've been waiting for this to happen for quite a while now and I'm really happy to say that today I'm going to go and film a pig for a rehoming video. So a while ago I reached out to a pig charity called Pigs in the Woods about doing some volunteering based on the skills that I have, whether it's filming, whether it's web development, anything like that, and they were very excited to sort of start doing something together, and this is my first time that I'm going to be doing something for them. As I understand it, this woman that I'm going to visit now has had a few pigs and she's managed to rehome them all except from one, and I'm going to her allotment today to film this particular pig. So I'll talk more about the pig charity later on in the video and I'll talk more about everything that's going on, but right now I need to go to Sheffield. I'm just in the car now, about to drive to Sheffield. I've got my vegan sausage rolls for snacks. I've got some carrots to feed big guy. My best friend mentioned to me I should probably take something to feed the pig with. That'd be quite fun, so thanks for that. And yeah, I'm now going to drive to Sheffield. I'll see you there. So I just got here, I'm about to be greeted by the woman who owns the pig, and yeah, I'm going to go there now. There you go. Come on. Do you want some food? For this?
Because you know.
He knows the sweet stuff is over there. Do you not want a carrot?
Yeah, give him some of that if you like. He says, yeah, that's better.
Do you want a bakewell?
Yeah, I love that. Well, you have to crumbs, you have a bit of carrot. She says, no, I want scone.
Bless him. This is Russell and he's 5. He is a big guy.
Yeah.
He's about 6 or 7, they say.
Yes.
How long has he had the bladder problem?
Since he was castrated, apparently. It can happen once he's been castrated. No, don't jump on it.
Oh.
Hey, no, stop it. Here, here, go and get some bread.
Guessing that's them fighting.
Take advantage of it. Oh, it's been shocking. Normally, they cut each other, but it heals up, but about 3 weeks ago, we got a really deep cut there. I didn't realise how deep it was and it went the wrong way.
Oh.
I was leaning over him one day and I thought, oh, what's that smell? And it was
Infected cut, yeah.
So I cleared up with some antibiotics.
That's good. And who's the pig behind?
That one's Rico.
Rico.
Yeah, he's going to Wiltshire, along with the other one. Because I think they're litter mates, because they're all together.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you, the fart has got big tears and everything.
Oh bless.
It's just got little man syndrome, I think. But the big guy's castrated, those two aren't, so...
Okay, so that could be...
Since Russell went, Russell was his, you know, he was his friend.
Yeah.
But once Russell went, we thought, well, we can be boss now, because he's always been boss.
Yeah.
We felt like two and we can take over.
Bless. There you go, buddy. Oh.
See his teeth?
Yeah.
That's half the length they used to be. You had to have them sewn off when they were castrated. They got stuck in the bars in that castration crate.
Oh,
or
bless
the homemade
him.
castration crate. His head was stuck, so they had to be sewn off.
Oh, straight in there. So I've just finished filming Big Guy for the rehoming video, and what a sweetheart. And I didn't know, but there was more pigs there. There were geese, there were horses, there were fish, there were sheep, goats, like loads of animals. I had an absolute blast. I was in heaven for me, and had an amazing time. The owner was very lovely, and she's just trying to rehome them. She sort of rescued them in a situation they were in, and she's now trying to rehome them to places where they can be treated with care. And I'll talk more about that when I get home, but right now I'm just walking back to my car, and covered in probably pig poo, horse poo, lots of mud, and yeah, I'm gonna have to have a good old clean, but I'll be back home in just a second. I'll see you there. Hey, so it's been a minute since I did that video for Pigs in the Woods and Big Guy. I'm happy to say that he did find a home and he's there now, so that's awesome. That's exactly what the video was for. I'm really happy that he's finally found a place to go to and he's found his forever home. It was an absolute privilege and such a fun day to hang out with Big Guy and the rest of the pigs and all the other animals that I got to see. I definitely want to work with Pigs in the Woods again in the future. I'd be very happy to donate more time and to make some videos for them. It was such an amazing experience that I just can't wait to do another one. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't heard of Pigs in the Woods before, then please go check out their website. They're an amazing pig charity and they do wonderful things. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing and liking that video. It really helps out. And if you enjoyed the music throughout this video, you can click the link below to find the rest of all the music that I make. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.